guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of DIY, a little bit of painting. I'm currently standing in my laundry room space. It's just a downstairs laundry room slash storage cupboard slash toilet. But I want to make this area here my designated laundry area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be painting this back wall here. I've already marked it out with some tape to protect the walls, and that you can't really see because the tape's the same sort of colour as the wall already. But I've taped it all out already, and basically what we're going to do, I'm going to be painting it this really nice Manhattan grey colour. I picked this colour because it matches the frame that we already have in the room, so I thought that would really like tie in together really nicely. And then what we're going to do, once it's been painted with a couple of coats of paint, my partner is going to be hanging two floating shelves. We're going to have one about here, just above the socket, and another one just up there, just before the roof comes in. So we're going to have two shelves, and because this is the same worktop as in my kitchen, I'm going to be putting some tiles here which are the same ones that we're going to be putting into the kitchen, so it all kind of like flows, matches and things. And then on top of the two shelves that we're going to have here, I have bought a couple of pretty jars and some fake flowers and a picture and things like that to decorate it. And in the little jars I'm going to be putting my Lenore Unstoppables and, you know, like wash powder, wash liquid, all that sort of good stuff. So that's the plan for my laundry room. I've always wanted a laundry room, so I thought this is the perfect time. And I've been dying to put a little bit of colour into this house as well, because it is very beige and magnolia. So this is a nice, quick little DIY that I'm going to be doing today. So I've already, as you can see, I've already taped it all up, so I won't be getting any crooked lines, I hope. I have the paint, obviously. This is the tape that I use. I have a paintbrush to do the cutting in. I have a roller set and tray for the big main area, and then I also have this dust sheet that I'm going to be putting on this table and over my washing machine, just so I don't get any paint splatters on the table. So I think that's it, so let's just get cracking.
Two wanderers at dawn of the world full of war. Early sunrise, I gave promise. You said always, and we run and dance. I'm following, I'm preaching, you're my church. I'm yin and yang, you're my Eve, I'm your Adam. And no one is right, or this world is so blind. Feel no doubts in your eyes, you said always, and we running there.
Right, so this is what the wall currently looks like. This is about 3 coats of paint. I actually really like the way it looks, and it doesn't look too bad against the cream either. So what I want to do now is take all of the tape off and we'll have the final result. So let's do it.
Strangers who fell in love in the world of wolves. Late sunset, you said yes. always, and we run and dance. I'm a water, you're a wave, I'm a player, you're my prize, I'm a ghost, you're a house, you're my body, I'm your glide, and no one is right. Oh, this world is so blind, feel no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we run and dance.
So I've got some jars and some tin containers. I was thinking I could put some of my laundry things in these. So for one, I have some Lenore Unstoppables. I think these two are the same scent, but then this one is a different scent, and I thought that might be quite nice to add a bit of colour. So if I put these ones in here, and then I can just buy more little pots when this one has finished, and I can just keep refilling my little containers. So that's one. This is my favourite scent. It's the Lavish, Lenore Unstoppables Lavish. Now this one is quite full, so I think I might have to use the bigger jar. Yeah, that definitely wouldn't have fit in the smaller jar. So they're my Lenore Unstoppables. They look quite cool actually, don't they? This one, I was thinking about putting all my Hoover attachments in. So I'll just put my Shark little baggie in there. The Hoover attachments are actually being used at the minute, so that will have to be empty for a minute. I have my bicarb soda in this container here, so I think that's okay in there for now. What can I put in this little container? How much vanish have I got? Okay, I can put the normal vanish. I use this one quite a lot. I can put that in this little container. There we go, and a little scoop as well. Actually, I could save this metal container for all my scoops. I could put all my scoops in there so you don't have to look at them through the glass. I'll put this scoop in there as well. Right, let's get to organising then. Bicarbonate of soda in there. The tin is where my Hoover things are. That's my Vanish and Lenore. This basket here I'm going to use for like dirty dishcloths and things like that, because I do a separate wash for those. That little tinny there is for my scoops and that brush, and more Lenore Unstoppables there. And I have put up a little peg here for my dustpan and brush. So there we have it. That is my laundry room makeover. Lovely. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next bit. Bye.